Soon Jai, and I didn't know what I was going to read, and I wanted to read something different than what I've already written. And I wrote this in the margins. I write things in the margins of the books I read. And this is about Soon Jai Do. So, Soon Jai did it. Soon Jai did it, Soon Jai did. Then Soon Jai gonna take me home. Soon, too soon, way too soon for Latasha, her mama, even me. 15 too soon, Jai Do, too soon. But Soon Jai did it, Soon Jai did, yeah. Soon Jai did it, Soon Jai did, anyway. Maybe Soon Jai did it to protect herself after all the black soldiers did it for her were gone and she just wanted to be free, to not man that store anymore. Wanted to free a young black girl from the horrors of this world. So Soon Jai did it, Soon Jai did it. Yes, Soon Jai did it, Soon Jai did it. Did what? Killed her. Murdered, cold blood execution style, shot in the back of the head, dead. They shoot horses, don't they? Manufactured shackles for babies, and now there are shackles for shoes. It's all the rage, all back in style. To rape and pillage, to maim.